Hey guys, I'm standing inside a 2023 Hideout 22 MLS. This is considered a couples camper, but there is additional sleeping options for friends, family, guests, things like that. As soon as you walk in, you have your ginormous bed right in the middle or right at the front of the camper. I think this is a queen size bed. I'm not 100% sure. There is additional storage underneath. End tables are on each side or nightstands. The left-hand side has a little bit longer of a nightstand than the right-hand side. Both have power outlets to charge devices. And then above each is a closet locker with a clothes rack on the inside and mirror paneling on the outside. Open shelving as well, connecting both of them. Privacy curtain, so if one person wants to start their day, the other wants to sleep in, you can kind of close that off. And then a window that opens up. Turning around to the rest of the camper, it's pretty open and spacious. Jackknife sofa here in your slide out. This will fold down to a sleeping spot for extra people. End table on the right hand side with a USB port mounted into it. And then you have foldable armrests with cup holders in it. Very nice. Be able to set your drink and stuff there. Huge window that opens up. And then across the way, you have your control paneling for everything right when you walk in. And then coming along to the other side is a spot where your TV goes. Cabinets. And then just behind your cabinet is actually your Furrion speaker system. Connect your phone, listen to the radio, your own music, all that fun stuff. Below is another big window and then your booth dinette space. So you have a place to sit and watch TV. And you have a place to sit down and eat a dinner or maybe have a board game going. This also folds down to a sleeping space. Storage is underneath both seats as well. Power outlets. And then just next to that is the built-in road vac system. So this is a built-in vacuum inside your camper. Hook up the hose and, sweep up every square inch of the unit. A huge amount of pantry space. Of course, you can use it for, put your towels in there or, more clothes and stuff if you want. And then turning around your refrigerator. It's a really good size. This is a rear kitchen, and I also consider it a rear bathroom style floor plan as well. 3-burner stove top with a glass cover, your oven down below, 4 drawers, more countertop space with power, microwave range hood, and then all the way at the back is a stainless steel sink, more countertop space. The entire backsplash is a window behind your sink, so lots of natural sunlight can be coming in. You can open it up as well. Storage above, and then just down below you have more cabinetry. There's plenty of space for all of your kitchen goodies to bring on your trip. Barn style sliding door leading into the bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet, sink with storage down below, power on the back wall, medicine cabinet, and then your shower with a vent fan above. It's actually pretty spacious. I love this floor plan. No carpet whatsoever. So as you can see, even in your slide out, they do not include carpet. Easily sweep up pet hair, clean up messes, things like that. As we walk on down, you got your powered tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks, smooth front cap with your aluminum siding. Diamond plating is running at the bottom of it. You are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras if you want to have the capability to view the sides of your coach, taking it down the road or lighting it up in your campsite spot. Pass-through storage, and then here is your outside kitchen. Front and rear power stabilizing jacks, oversized powered awning, outside speaker, solid steps, grab handle. It does have a solar panel on it since this is a 2023 Keystone. All of your 22s and 23s feature solar panels. Power on the outside shower, again, power stabilizing jacks. Here is the little rail that you put the outside kitchen on. Spare tire, and then you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. Slide out on your non-camping side. And then over here is your fresh and city water connection, as well as access to the water heater. So any extra questions, concerns, or comments on the Hideout 22 MLS, feel free to let us know.